Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again with a 2-box break of 2010 Gridiron Gear Football. Good luck. Looking for 4 hits in a box. Searching for that one of one. We didn't... Well, I won't give it away if we hit one or not, but you guys can figure it out by now. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Here we go. Pack number 1 will be a rookie of Desmond Briscoe at a 250 for the Bengals, and a rookie of Jason Pierre-Paul, not numbered, for the Giants. Base. Insert. We have Vernon Davis for the 49ers at a 250. And a rookie of TJ Ward for the Browns, not numbered. We have a Matthew Stafford for the Lions, not numbered insert. And an Ed Wong for the Bills, rookie. An X for the Bears at a 250 of Devin Hester. And a rookie of Roberto Wallace for the Dolphins. Base. This is going to be the hit. It'll be a football patch, 1-color patch. It's numbered out of 50 for the Patriots of Taylor Price. Football 1-color patch, numbered 3 out of 50. And a rookie of Desmond Briscoe again for the Bengals. Next hit, we'll go to the Bears. It'll be a Game Breakers jersey. It's numbered at a 175 of Devin Hester, single-color jersey. Devin Hester. And there's the jersey right there. And a rookie of Morgan Burnett for the Packers. We have an X of Josh Cribbs out of 100 for the Browns. And a rookie of Andrew Quarles for the Packers. So... yeah, I hope we hit the 1 of 1 also. We're still looking for no auto yet in this box. Marty Gilliard for the Rams. It's at a 250. And Jeremy Williams, rookie, for the Eagles. So we're halfway through the box now. Box number 1, that is. We have an AP, Adrian Peterson Game Breakers for the Vikings. And a Victor Cruz. And let me shut the TV off. The TV's way too loud. Alright, halfway through the box now. 2 hits in. Looking for 2 more hits. Let's look for a nice autograph. Come on. We got a rookie of Brody Aldridge for the Colts. That one is not numbered. Crash Course of Eli Manning to Marcus Ware at a 250. Rookie of Jeremy Horn for the Chiefs. Where's the big hit? Where's the big hit? Oh, that's nice. For the Texans, we have a pull-out autograph. This one is numbered 76 out of 205 of Ben Tate. Ben Tate. Pull-out autograph for the Texans. Nice card. Really like those cards. I always say it in my videos. Rookie of Trent Williams for the Redskins. So 1 more hit. X of Jason Worlds at a 250 for the Steelers. That's Slow Pitch Fanatic. Jeff Cumberland, rookie for the Jets. This will be our next hit. It'll go to the Panthers. It'll be a football and a jersey. This is out of 25, low-numbered parallel, 24 out of 25 of Armonte Edwards. Armonte Edwards, 24 out of 25. Tony Pike, rookie for the Panthers. Base. Rookie of Jared Odrick for the Dolphins. X of Matthew Stafford out of 250 for the Lions. Rookie of Steven Williams for the Cardinals. 2 packs to go in the first box. 2 packs left. We hit a redemption. Redemption will be Signature Gold, card number 197. And card number 197 will be, for the Steelers, it'll be a Justin. Let me make sure I get this. Yeah, Jason. I said Justin. Jason Worlds. It's going to go to the Steelers. Jason Worlds. Let me just make sure I got that right. Yep. So there's an extra hit. Yep, that is hit number 5. And that's a gold. I'm not sure. Do you guys know what that's numbered to? Personally, I'm not familiar. And a rookie in that box of Ed Dickinson. 25. It's not bad. And Jonathan Dwyer, rookie orientation. That one's numbered 1 out of 25. Low numbered, 1 out of 25. And a rookie of Riley Cooper for the Eagles. So that's it, box number 1. Let me organize these inserts real quick. Not too bad. 5 hits in that box. Nice Ben Tate. I really like those pull-out autos. A nice Ben Tate. Box number 2 will be box number 13. Good luck. Box number 13. Here we go. Pack number 1. We have an insert of Arian Foster for the Texans out of 250. And a Morgan Burnett rookie for the Packers. Pack 2. Looks like it's going to... Oh my god. Fucking sick, man. Sick. I'm looking to see who has him, guys. Let's see if he's in the room. I'll slide it for you guys. I don't know what it's numbered out of, but he is in the room. The person is in the room. I'm gonna show YouTube first. Sick. Look at that bad boy. Let's see what it's numbered to first. Let's see what it's numbered. It's numbered. It's high numbered. It's out of 259, but fucking sick. Good luck. Good luck. Tim Tebow, pull-out autograph for Blaze. It's numbered 101 out of 259 for Blaze 92585. Fucking dirty. So congratulations, Blaze. Let me show you guys that one more time. And there's a little, actually that's the jersey popping out of there. I thought it was the card, but sick Tim Tebow auto. Can't go wrong there. Rookie of Andrew Quarles for the Packers. Nice card. Nice card to start off this box. Nice little Timmy Tebow. We have an X of Benjamin Watson out of 250 for the Browns. Rookie of Jeremy Williams for the Eagles. And that's actually my second Tim Tebow auto I pulled, and I think both of them came out of Gridiron. Both within the last month, within the last 3 weeks probably. CJ Spiller for the Bills. It's at a 250. And a rookie of Victor Cruz for the Giants. Base. Peyton Manning, Mario Williams, Crash Course. It's not numbered. A rookie of Jeff Cumberland for the Jets. So still looking for 3 more hits. Very nice Broncos hit for Blaze. Congratulations. Tony Pike, rookie for the Panthers. And of course my camera is about to die, so I might have to pause this video and make a part 2. Jared Odrick for the Dolphins. So there's going to be a part 2. GSN Cards.